Top 3 Money-Making Blog Post Topics. In this video, I'll explain each of these 3 categories of blog posts and how you may profit from them. Working on these topics will undoubtedly increase your earnings. Watch the video to learn how to make money online. Let's start the video. After over 4 years of running the side blogger, this guy found that just 3 content categories consistently generate income. Yet, he often composes blog posts that deviate from those standards. They are not financially rewarding, but they keep him sane, so he keeps doing them. The 3 most lucrative categories of blog postings are step-by-step instructions, list posts, and review or tutorial posts. Let's watch how a blogger gets money before going into the specific details. When you grasp them, it becomes easier to make connections. How a blogger may earn money. Affiliate marketing allows you to promote another person's goods in exchange for a commission. Advertising who earns money via commissions. It's not a multi-level marketing pyramid scam. You may begin affiliate marketing immediately if you see no moral problem with trying the product you wanted to promote. To do this, you may sell digital things. Online products such as courses, ebooks, printables, and templates may be offered for sale. This guy earns a comfortable income off of his courses and template sales. You can share your expertise one-on-one. As this guy does, he uses Zoom. This year he began instructing a blog writing workshop, which has been amazing so far. Although it may not generate as much income as selling digital items or online courses, it is much more enjoyable. With the help of your consulting services, although his classes are often small, he does provide private lessons, which he likes to call coaching or consulting to those who need them. You may also provide services related to your blog's topic. You should use your blog as a marketing tool to attract customers. Now that you understand how a blogger makes money, it's time to connect the dots. Let's assume you've already chosen a topic, launched a blog, developed an email list building plan, and set your sights on a particular revenue stream. Now, you can examine why some blog post formats generate more income than others. Quite a lengthy instructional manual. A how-to manual is a quick and easy way to seem like an expert. Give specifics. It will be somewhat lengthy, but if length equals quality, that's precisely what your viewers and search engines want. Try to give out as much as you can. Your audience has to be persuaded. Always write as though your readers are very intelligent. So, if you attempt to make a false claim in your article, people will see through it. How, however, does it generate revenue? The following is a fictional account. This guy has been selling Canva templates on his site, Etsy, and a few other marketplaces for some time now. After seeing consistent financial success, he documented his methods in a blog post. Before long, the article had risen to the top of Google's search results page. The reception was very positive. He created a course to do just that, to share his strategy for making money off of Canva templates with as many people as possible. That went over really well. Even now, his blog article on selling Canva templates appears high in Google search results, drawing in a steady stream of interested readers. Many of them purchase his related online course. Follow these steps. Produce an abundance of in-depth, instructional blog entries, and monitor your organic search traffic using Google Search Console. If one of these posts becomes popular, you may be able to generate more money from it by making a course or writing an ebook. It's okay if not every how-to article becomes a viral sensation. They may make a bold statement, letting people know you know your stuff and aren't afraid to show it. Because of such, you may attract the attention of potential investors. Do it and write them. And be really generous in your posts. 1. The list post. The entries that include lists are pretty appealing to the eye. People seem to have an insatiable appetite for list articles or listicles, which is a portmanteau of list and article. 2. Write a listicle. Here are some of the ways it generates money. This guy has written an article detailing the different aspects of the web-based graphic design tool Canva that he finds most useful. As a Canva affiliate, he has liberally peppered that piece with links to the design platform. Thus, in resulting, he is receiving a nice sum of money. Here is an example that has nothing to do with affiliate marketing, but with selling your own product. The ability to produce an SEO blog post has several advantages, as he detailed in a piece he wrote a few months ago. A list post may be used to promote and sell your own and affiliate items. 3. The review and/or tutorial post. It's possible to promote affiliate items in these sorts of postings, as well as this guy has a review post about SiteGround website hosting. It's great if you can provide a lesson on utilizing the product you're reviewing. A review including a lesson is a great way to get people excited about buying your product. Adding the word review at the front of your blog article title may help optimize search engines. More prestigious experts that are respectable. Take advice from them. Additionally, increased SEO effectiveness leads to a rise in site visitors and revenue. That is if the actual content of the blog post is of high quality and usefulness. This was all from my side to guide you about each of these 3 categories of blog posts and how you may profit from them. Please subscribe and press the bell button if you're new to the channel so you don't miss any new stuff. Comment below if this video was helpful or if you have any concerns regarding how to generate money.